Standardization is at the core of the InterConnect project. So in InterConnect, we start from standardization and we go back to standardization, not only at the end of the project, but during the project. So one example of this is, of course, the SAREF suite of ontologies created and maintained by ETSI, Smart and One Technical Chemistry. So what we do in InterConnect, we start from SAREF as the main pillar for the semantic interoperability framework, but SAREF was not able, as it was, to tackle and address all the use cases that we have in InterConnect, because, of course, we have a lot of use cases in all our 7 pilots. So what we did, we extended these ontologies, and after 3 years now of the project, we are applying them in the pilots, and we go back to ETSI to submit these extensions as new contributions to the SAREF suite of ontologies, so that they can be incorporated officially in ETSI. And I think that this is a great result of InterConnect also because it shows how a project can successfully participate and be active in standardization. So we start from standardization, we develop something, and we submit back our contributions with all our interesting stakeholders and partners to the standardization process. So this is really a successful story. And let's see how it goes, but at least we know that we are in the process right now of this standardization. Concerning then how this can be useful for the stakeholders, one thing that we notice in ETSI is that the partners, the stakeholders usually, and also in the Connect project of course, is that partners, there is a good perception by the industry about what semantic interoperability is and what are the benefits also of ontologies like SAREF, but it's still difficult for them to apply, to deploy them in practice. So it's a kind of a paradigm shift, but it is possible, and InterConnect showed that. And it showed that a lot of partners that don't know what semantic interoperability is can actually get acquainted to the use and the deployment of this technology. And where InterConnect really makes the difference is in the deployment on a large scale of this. There was no project before which has developed semantic interoperability at this level, at this large scale. And this is really a nice result. So we can help the stakeholders in this. Also because there is a specific request from there. Even lately, a few weeks ago at the SIoT Week, when the audience, we asked the audience, what are you missing or what can be improved in the SAREF, somehow the dissemination and what we do. They asked, they said, well, we use SAREF, we understand the communication is good and also the information that we can find at the portal. However, we would benefit from a better from examples and success stories that could help us to apply it in practice, and that's what InterConnect does. Then we offer replicable solutions on a large scale based on SAREF.